3-year-old Veronica lives in Oklahoma with her biological father, Dustin Brown, and his wife, Robin.
She's full of energy, always ready to do anything, loves animals, loves mommy and daddy dearly.
But Veronica spent her first 2 years in South Carolina with this couple, Matt and Melanie Capobianco. They were at Veronica's birth in 2009 and brought her home, believing they could adopt her from her unmarried biological mother. Before Brown's National Guard unit was sent to Iraq, he sent a text message and signed paperwork surrendering his parental rights.
Before I deployed, I thought I was signing the papers to her, custody rights. I didn't think that I was signing, giving up everything, not wanting to have anything to do with my child. That's my daughter.
When Brown found out about the adoption plans, he invoked a 1978 federal law that protects children of Native Americans from being separated from their families and tribes. Brown is a Cherokee Indian.
They can't provide what my grandmother told me, and what I learned whenever I was growing up. They can't provide that.
A South Carolina court agreed and ordered Veronica be given to Brown. But last month, the U.S. Supreme Court ruled 5-4 that the 1978 law did not apply in this case. Justice Samuel Alito wrote, Brown abandoned the Indian child before birth and never had custody of the child.
When you hear that, what goes through your mind?
I never abandoned my child.
But you said yes in that text message, and you signed the paperwork before you left for Iraq.
Right. And that was one of the dumbest decisions I've made.
Play tag.
Oh, you like to play tag? But the justices also decided to leave the custody battle in the hands of a South Carolina court. The Capobiancos, who want Veronica back, declined our request for an interview, but in a statement said, "We are missing Veronica like crazy and anxious to be able to see and talk to and hold her again."
Have you thought about how you might begin a conversation about what could happen here?
No, there's no parent that should have to have that conversation with their child to say, hey, you're going somewhere else and you won't be able to see me again.
South Carolina's Supreme Court will have to decide what's in Veronica's best interest, staying with her biological father or returning to the couple who raised her for 2 years. Elaine Quijano, CBS News, outside Tulsa, Oklahoma.